Get you started on this problem, exercise E-6. Identify debits, credits, and normal balances and journal transaction. It is a file uploaded on the Moodle site. It says selected transactions for Home Place and Interior Decorator Corporation in its first month of business are as follows, and it lists them here. The instructions for each transaction indicate A, the type of account debited and credited, asset, liability, or stockholders' equity. B, the specific account debited and credited, cash, rent expense, service revenue, etc. And C, whether the specific account is increased or decreased. And D, the normal balance of the specific account. Use a format shown in which transaction 1 is given as an example. Number 1, issued stock to investors for $15,000 in cash. Remember that we're going to concentrate on the asset equal liabilities plus owner's equity, the accounting equation, and the fact that we have T accounts with debits and credits. Remember, the left side is always debit and the right side is always credit. When you think about the accounting equation, assets are listed on the left, so assets normal balance will be on the left, which is a debit. Stockholders' equity and liabilities are on the right side of the equation. The right side of a T account is a credit, so the normal balance for for liabilities and stockholders' equity is a credit. So in this first transaction, issued stock to investors for $15,000 in cash, your two accounts affected, which is the first thing you think about with a transaction, are cash and common stock because it says issued stock to investors. Both of these increase. You have more common stock and you have more cash. So they've recorded it below. Basic type is asset, specific account cash, effect is an increase. Assets are on the left side of the equation. The left side is a debit side. The normal balance is a debit. For the second part of the equation, stockholders' equity is a basic type. Common stock is your specific account. The effect is an increase, and the normal balance is a credit. It's on the right side of the equation. Credits are on the right. Now to get to the next line and just kind of keep the same format, hit your tab key, and we'll type 2, and it doesn't really line up with the 1, but if you hit your tab again, it'll go underneath the A. Number 2, we purchased a used car for $10,000 cash for use in the business. So the used car would be equipment, and then it says right there cash. So thinking about these two transactions, the used car increases our equipment, and if we're paying $10,000 cash, that decreases our cash. As we're writing this in, I'll do the car first. It's an asset. I hit my tab key. I will put equipment. The effect is an increase on equipment, and the normal balance for an asset is a debit. The other type is also an asset. The specific account is cash. The effect is a decrease, but it asks for our normal balance, so our normal balance is a debit. I'll hit my tab key. Number 3, purchase supplies on account for $300. The two accounts that are affected are supplies, and on account is accounts payable. Supplies is an asset account. It increases on the debit side. It's on the left side of the equation. Accounts payable is a liability. It's on the right side of the equation, so its normal balance is a credit. So when I record these, I'll put 3, hit my tab, and it's an asset. The specific account is supplies. Whoops. Didn't spell supplies right, sorry. It is an increase and a debit. The basic type is a liability. The specific account, accounts payable. It is an increase because we owe more money, and it is a credit. I hope this helped you get started on completing this problem.